Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's learn to delete a Zelle recipient in Chase bank account. So here is easy step-by-step removal guide. Stay tuned till the end of the video. Step 1. Open the Chase mobile app and log in. Launch the official Chase mobile app on your smartphone. Authenticate your identity securely using your password, Face ID or fingerprint. Ensure your smartphone has a stable internet connection so your contact list load properly. Step 2. Navigate to the Zelle menu. Locate and tap the Pay and Transfer tab found in the navigation menu. Select Send and request money with Zelle from the available financial services list. Step 3. Access your saved contacts. Tap on the Settings or Manage option within the upper interface of the Zelle dashboard. Select the option labeled as Manage Recipients or Contacts to populate your full list of saved accounts. Step 4. Locate the target recipient. Scroll through the menu or use the internal filter tool to find the exact person you wish to remove. Tap on the recipient's name to open up your specific contact profile details. Step 5. Edit and delete profile. Tap the Edit button, which is usually located in the top right corner of the recipient profile screen. Scroll to the very bottom of the Edit screen and tap the red Delete Recipient or Remove Contact option. Step 6. Confirm final removal. A mandatory pop-up alert will ask you to confirm your action to prevent accidental removals. Tap Yes, Delete, or OK to permanently wipe the individual from your Quick Pay contact list. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.